My name is Fred G.P.G. Yes, I do roofing. Basically, I do roofing, any carpentry work concerning construction. I'm in. I have my team. We work together. So many years now. I think about 25 years now for as a carpenter. I can do much like pagodas, roofing, flames, anything, any work concerning carpentry, the construction field. I am there. I have my team. For now, we are on a church. We are building a church, a very huge church building. So you can contact us anytime for any carpentry work. We are ready for you. Okay, for now, we have finished the settings. So we are now bordering the beams. We'll cover them. Then after, we'll put a 2x4 in, and then we support them with the baboons. And after, we put the powder on it. So the work is on course. We are moving very fast. This is how it goes.
So that's Ataje, the carpenter for you. If you need someone to do your roofing for you, your roofing, woodwork, your carpentry work for the decking, or any other carpentry work, in construction, we have the best carpenters for you. Just send me an email and I'll forward this number to you. So welcome back to the church project. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and we are constructing a church auditorium due to the expansion of the Temaflao Road. So there was a church which was affected by the expansion. So we quickly have to, construct, a church. As you can see, this is the full church. This is how it's going to go, the full foundation. But we are just doing a decking for half so that they can move in. And as time goes on, we will finish it up for them. And a quick update, all the beam plates is being installed. So we are supporting the beam plate with the bamboo. We've done the lower part, as you can see. So we'll be going to the higher parts, which we have to support some of the bamboos with the block because they are not that long. So that is a quick update. Later on, we'll see the drone shot from afar, and then you'll see what has been done. About the drone update, I crashed my drone. Yeah, well, I always crash it, but this time it didn't survive. I think there was shaking in the camera, so it is not stable. So please bear with me. The coming days, some of my drone shots are going to be a little bit shaky, but I'm going to manage it for now till I'm back to the Netherlands, and then I can work and get some money to buy a new one. So I just want to mention that. So the coming days, you'll be seeing that most of my drone shots will be a little bit shaky. So just want to mention that so that you know. So from this angle, you can see the slope, of the seating of the auditorium, which looks like a stadium seats. So that's how the thing goes. As we progress, you're going to see it clear. So the main focus here is to do the concrete casting, which is the decking. So coming weeks, I'll keep you guys updated on the progress and how things are going. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly please do subscribe to the channel, like the video. It's 2023. Let's set new goals and achieve all of them by the end of the year. And please don't just say your goals and that is it. kasa yɛn mframa. So just take a pen and paper or a board, write it down, place it somewhere you will see it every single day, and anytime you pass by you watch it, and then you know what is ahead of you for the year. So that's what helped me a lot. For me, my drawing plan is pasted on my mirror. So anytime I'm ready to go out, or I'm in, or I'm trying to fix something on myself, the plan is in front of me, and that kept me going. And that's how I'm always trying to do something with my project, because my plan is always in front of me. So that's a big check. That's one thing that really helped me. Always keeps me on my toes and focused. So don't just say what you want to do or what you want to achieve this year, and then that is it. Put it somewhere you always come across. And my first tip for the youth out there for this year is that if you can save at least 350 euros or $350 every month, at the end of the year you have about 4,200 dollars or euros, which can start with a foundation. So at least this year you should have your foundation done. And with this amount, you can even go further than your foundation depending on the size of your plots. But always start small and dream big. Don't start with a bigger dream and then what you cannot afford. Just start with what you can afford. Don't rush to go for a bigger house. If you start building, you will notice that you can build more houses. So just start with a small, and with 4,200 you can always start with a foundation. You can always get it done in a year, and then next year if you go with the same plan, you will get to the lintel. The next year you have your roof or your decking, and then in 3 to 5 years time you are done with your house, saving 350 euros every month. So that is the game plan. But note that when you are saving, when you are saving the 350, when you are half a year, which is about 2,600, start with your project. When you have half of the money, you start with a project, and as the workers are progressing, you keep sending. Maybe every 2 months or every 3 months you just save what you have in a bulk. Every 2 to 3 months you just save, or 2 months, 3 months, then you keep the work flow, you keep the flow going. So this is my trick. This is what I've done the past years, and the flow is important. So please don't look at the dollar rates, don't look at the euro rates. When you have the money, just let it go and just keep the flow going. That's more important. It's all about the flow, because the flow keeps you in check. And you might even spend your money on something else whilst waiting for the dollar to go up. So this has been one of my strategies I've used to build my house, and I want to share it with you guys. But you know yourself much more better than I do. So just make a savings plan and stick to the amount of money that when you spend it's not going to break you down, because any money you put into the construction is not coming back. So just make a plan, a savings plan, and just work with it. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on this channel, and I'll see you in my next episode with more tips. Let's get do it.